welcome to my YouTube channel. And today is like a little messy day, I would say. My camera is dead right now, and I somehow wanted to shoot this look, so I thought of shooting it on my phone instead of just stressing over it, because मैंने पूरा setup लगा लिया था और सब हो गया था. Okay, aside from that, so I recreated this look right here. It's like a recreation. I really wanted to do like one more Kylie Jenner recreation from really long time. So I was like, मेरी IGTV पे हो चुकी है already, so I should do it on YouTube and maybe you guys will love it. So yes, do let me know if you like recreations here as well, because I love doing recreations. I love scrolling through Instagram and seeing celebrities, and I love to recreate celebrity looks. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do recreations over here as well. वैसे मैंने कोई series नहीं चलानी because वहाँ पे already चल रही है, but I really wanted to do one hair of Kylie Jenner. So yes, if you want to know that how I got this really subtle, I would say, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial. First up, we have to use like a pore filling primer because your girl has like a lot of pores and her skin is like very matte, so I will be using only matte primers, foundations. As you have seen, I've used Wet n Wild matte primer, then using up this matte foundations. The e.l.f. one is not that matte, I would say, but it's pretty good. And now just blending this off really nicely into my skin. Just take your time into blending, just blend it really nicely. Now taking up this Age Rewind concealer, taking up two shades, and the one shade that I'll be putting underneath my eye, it is like 2-3 shades lighter, but she has like a lot of highlighting going on underneath her eyes, so I'm assuming that she have used like 2-3 shades lighter to her skin tone, the concealer. Now just blending the concealer really nicely into our skin because that's very important. And now after that, I'll be taking up this Too Faced Born This Way loose powder and will be setting up really nicely, as she has like a complete matte skin going on, so you really need to pack that powder into your skin. She doesn't have that harsh contouring, so I'll be lightly bronzing up with this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just bronzing the usual areas that she has bronzed. So yep, after that it's time for blush. She has like a lot of blush going on, which is obviously I don't go for that much blush, but obviously she's wearing, so we are recreating her look. And the highlighter she's wearing is white tone, and she is wearing it like very lightly, I would say, and it's like little blinding onto her nose, so doing the same. Now sealing the deal with the setting spray, which is very important. Now moving on to eyes, taking up this transition brown shade, which is very similar to my skin tone. So yes, building it into my crease really nicely. Now repeating the same thing onto my another eye and blending is the key. Now on to glitter. I'm using these two glitter shades and will be picking up and will be mixing these glitters basically, and will be applying the glitter all over, not all over, but onto the middle of my lid. So yes, make sure to do that. Now blending up all the harsh edges and now repeating the same step onto the another eye. Now it's time for liner, which I always don't do really nicely on camera, I think. So yes, just doing that. And she has like a brown winged eyeliner going on, as you have seen in the picture. So yep, after that she only has like a mascara on, and her lashes are so damn good, but mine are not. So I'm mixing these two Essence Lash Curler 1 and Lash Volume 1 mascaras, and now highlighting my inner corners and lightly dusting off that brown transition color onto my waterline. Now filling up my brows really nicely, as they are very thin, not like really bold. So yup, after that, voila, we are almost done. I think now it's time for lipstick. She's wearing like really light pink color lipstick. So yeah, and just spreading it with my hands for that lighter effect, and voila, your girl is done. So yeah, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram so that you don't miss any updates regarding my YouTube as well. So yes, if you like this look, if you ever recreate this look, please do tag me. I would love to see them. So yes, that's that for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.